Let's take a tour of my hotel room. I stayed in Tour-DePrime at Rangnam Hotel, which is located in Rangnam Street. I selected this hotel because of its location. It's near the Victory Monument BTS, so it was easy for me to go anywhere using the BTS. It is a 4-star hotel with clean rooms, friendly staff, and great service. The hotel does not have a gym, but it does have a beautiful pool with a gorgeous view on the rooftop. I stayed in a room on the 7th floor, and as you can see, the room is very spacious. So this was the washroom. It was big enough, it was clean, with a decent shower space. I really like the painting. It gave a nice touch to the room. They also gave electric kettle and a mini fridge in the room. The room also came with this safe, so I could put my valuable stuff inside. So this was the view from my room. It was really beautiful, especially at night with the city lights. So I honestly recommend this budget-friendly hotel for your next trip to Thailand. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!